Hi Mayam, welcome back to my channel. I huzik iruzaba loire. I maise kemta taidri. I maise I anambana makeup avoid tongna butoi ko. Adugi ngasi ki video sida mainly ay na ulak toise. Nahamuki video da ay na hapkibado face yoga gi video hapkibane. Adugi face yoga gi video do hapalora matungda ay na mayamda अखोगी फेस मसाज को फेस से अखोगी मसल्स में आम यार से मसाज की उत्कनी ना आई ना मैं आम दहाई की बने अदुगी वीडियो दो आई मिनट मंगा तरा खतंग सेमजर उच्चगे अदो सीगी वीडियो से सीगी मसाज से like you can do it anytime. You can do it even like in the night and during the daytime as well. I hana mayamda akugi mai se kamaina massage tawbana uturake adu matunda ai benefits mayamda share tawjani hai aina seasonable products se aina seasonable products se Cetaphil na anamba season ajay ko Cetaphil aduga serum ne aduga mai so ai mainly aina seasonable se ai sunscreen to I see ngakta sila sa tapos product ngakta kaya no da ay may sensitive oil na ay product niya season na day yari day I try to avoid chemicals aduga I try to avoid makeup yari day ngam naman ay may lusikin tay triko ado nga CD ay CD sa tapos tayo mayaman massage because I will show you something else. I use oil also. I know season is there. I could use oils to season, but this oil, see say, I samak na senjaba oil ne, which is mixed of 4-5 oils, which is coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, apricot oil, and sea buckthorn oil from Ladakh. sea buckthorn oil se using acne, pimple, effective for anti-aging, aduna rejuvenates your skin. And coconut oil di thane dagi adum pharaga lae ko, so that is also one of the best oil. Mayam na sigi oil phangdraba su coconut oil adum seasonable yai any oil. So let's get started. I myself is a camp that I drink adu hana sigi oil se hana tayrage maida drop amani hapage yamna hap pasu darka oide akhoi just season up tabudu khang hape quite first step akhoi gi sigi khudom bi ani se sina akhoi gi sigi temple area se thambirani aduga pressure piraga nambiba seasonal laibak tinganba laibak khudaba adu mayam dani ko si minute manga minute tara tawbi ai adu mayam na na tawge adu mayam tawbi ai adu matunda pishum la ani this my opposite hand opposite eyebrows haigat birani si akhoi ki pishum se droopy eyes or adu pitching khatani ko Adui matunda akhoi si mid makhas la mid makhas la make a knuckle. It's supposed to make a knuckle and keep pulling outwards. Mapanonda intokpiba ko. Sis na akhoi puffy eyes like dark circle like mayam pe loina maglock ko iba. So it's very helpful, very soothing and nice. I love this under eye massage. Silorga like let's come to the cheekbones step by step like baglore pishum lore cheek under eyes lore then the cheekbones like cheekbones trying to hide it cheekbones lore with not tones Natone se akhoi with age it grows. Natone ga akhoi manag se like natone se with age it keeps growing. Okay, so yeah, keep pushing it up, and then silura matunda, make an L shape with your index finger and thumb, and you can make a triangle, or you can make a love from here, loving your skin, loving your face. See, like L shape. But she told me that I see the jawline, the pressure, the jawline, she what happened to chinkat. Because the chinkat people, some of the you really need to give pressure, okay? Like you have to give pressure. She loraga ngaksam sila ani koi thau kra happy bang sai ngaksam su tingna ba duga ngaksam si kaw ya de ngaksam su koi ngak ki part ni ngaksam mayam mai di loi ke nei adu ngaksam je dung kaw bani ngaksam si kaw bi ga no adu matung da koi si gi narum si tawraga smaina ching thaba akoi si gi na gi maning si da singli na yaw ba mayam si loi sam nei ko adu na na maning ji da paira ga de koi yam na relax oi ba adu si massage jam na relax oi ba si su pressure kan na pipi ba adu ga si gi smaina ching thapira oh you have to pull it downwards so that she labor muscles da kuna massage. That's it. At last. Sige, ako sige double chin la ko matam na mayam na worry you ani ko double chin. So, ako sige kudnam se. Sisi na tawraga double chin is mine, no? Anh xài như là anh chưa được tìm rồi cái anh cái này anh nung đằng thì còn học share theo cái đồng này đó nung đằng thì anh sử dụng những cái rose water thì em là chamba Instagram để you can order đâu bên cái Beam Herbal hay gì em là natural oil em là ngoài Sige rose water से कि mildly spray तो वाले कहाँ leave it for 5-10 minutes कर कंगल लो मैं जिंग माइक केम ताई दे sige rose water से खर कंग चले हर कांदा आई नंग साइ हाइजे गिवा Cetaphil sige कनो से नुंगदांग दा आई serum से season आई sise yamna chanai aingonda do my sensitive oiba aduga hydration moisturizers oiba aduga sensitive skin gishni ko aduna sensitive skin yamna kanai mana na saidi massage to mind ta warge mo ऐसे अयुक से तवी नुंदांग से तवी हुजी किसना आई नुंदांग को नसाई की तो अयुक तो ना ऑयल तैयार है चिंग थपी रही है Saigi to nai mayam da step tak chagre huzik te ai nungdang mayam da ino sum aina soidana tawlakado ai mayam da uchage ai mayam video sum eto ko nungdang So sise lore do mayam sise soi the maki try to bio dum yumda ayuk sunung dang shu. You try it at home, everyone. Ado mayam da aina sige knowledge se aina sumana share to dese ta yinate aina technique ya try to matunda aingonda fake layer kan da ai mayam da share to jordan. Ado mayam imai event kambe mayam da try to bio all age ahan angang loina magtawi ay sige massage se ahan haibalai te angang haibalai te kayuda akogi like face the yauriba muscles mayam sibu akona take care tawini ko aduna akoy hakjang sajin tawi adubu we forget to take care of our face hakjang gi sajin gi muscles mayam di kaude like we have to build that muscles, do this, do that, but apparently we end up forgetting our face muscles. So it's time for all of us to take care our face and look glowing. Health ki sector da kai gumba khanging ba lergasu ai comment da dum haibiro hangbiro kai taba yai any exercise, anything, mental health, depression, anxiety mayam lo na mo aingon da comment share tawiraga ai mayam da dum video senjirake ado mayam na sige video se share tawbiyo imanaba mas loina mag sise nupa su tawbi ai ko nupa nupi hai belate agi ai sige video sida ado even nupa su tawbi ai most of you if you guys want to look more handsome and more stunning then please like tawbiyo mayam